This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about espresso glasses, specifically these Forma espresso shot glasses and cups. We have a few different styles. We have the 3-ounce round espresso or dessert cup, the 6-ounce round cafe cup that comes with a handle. It's also available in a 3-ounce size as well, and the 3-ounce shot or appetizer cup. All of these glasses feature a lovely double wall design for an elegant yet airy look. It's very modern and classic and just kind of simple and beautiful all at the same time. That double wall design is not only gorgeous, but it really helps to maintain the temperature of beverages and foods. It's perfect for using for espresso shots, cups of coffee, to use for things like mini desserts or appetizers. Some of these glasses feature handles for a more traditional sipping experience for your customers, while others don't. And the important thing to note is that that double wall design gives you that great air pocket in between, meaning that even the ones that don't have handles are going to be comfortable for your guests to grip, even when they're filled with hot liquids and foods. It's going to give that layer of insulation that's not only going to keep the food at temperature, but mean that the outside is always going to be easy to grip and handle, and it's always going to be a pleasant and enjoyable experience for your customers. So that double wall design feature not only makes these functional, but beautiful as well. In addition to things like espresso, these are perfect for showing off layered apps and desserts like parfaits, think shrimp cocktail, or even to use for shots and shooters at events. So these are perfect for coffee shops, cafes, for caterers to use at events for a variety of different uses, or even for entertaining or just for your everyday use for enjoying coffee at home.